front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Hit OK in Welcome pop-up. If you want to, tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on and check out all of those other options for the future. And finally, go into Tab menu to edit it thanks to this pen at the top right corner. Hit Edit over here. Look for Caffeine shortcut under Available buttons. Hold it, drag it to your currently used ones, place it and let go. Then hit Done at the top right corner twice. Now you need to click on Caffeine shortcut. Hit gray switcher next to Allow permission. And finally go back to Tab menu to click on the shortcut again. As you can see, this time mine turned white, which means that Infinite Sleep Time is on. To turn it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!